Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we have number 5. This one we have number 3. This one we have the root of number 4. So in this one we can simplify like this. Now let's go to the next one. This one we have power 2. This is about the root of number 4. This is about the power of number 9. So in this one we can simplify like this. Because this one in the denominators, so when we put this one cone here, we need to put about the negative, and we have number 9 multiplied by 1/4, and this one we have 3x plus 3 we put in here, and number 4 I will put in here. So this one we have 15/4. This one we have number 2 I will put in here. So in this one we have negative 1/4. So this one combined with this one, and we have negative number 1/4. So this one we have 7/2. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 multiplied by 2x plus 6 dx. So this one we have 6x. This one we have 3x and number 3. So we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one we change by the u over number 2. So number 4 and number 2 we have 1/8. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 9/2. This one we have 9/2. So we simplify the numbers, and we have 1/36. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.